I need my own. Something that I have a signature on it. A miracle with my name on it. I need my own car. I need my own house. I need my own children. I need my own land. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
But many of us, we are in the comfort zone. Things are provided. But you're not even realizing that age is catching up with you. You don't have a job because they give you breakfast, they give you lunch, everything is provided. You don't see the reason why you should work. Let me tell you, if you are not tired of where you are is already tired of you. It's time to change the address. It's time to shift. It's time to become something. Are you not tired of what you are, what you have? Where you are just begging. You have nothing. What is your own? What do you own? What do you have? What have you achieved? Leah said getting married, Rachel said getting married and having a husband is not enough. I need my own children. Praise the name of the Lord. The sister was producing. For her, she didn't have. And she went to Jacob. Said, I need my own children. Glory be to God. It's high time when you tell God, I need my own. Give me my own. You hear someone, they are not even thinking about building a house. Because where you are staying, the landlord is very tolerant. The landlord is very tolerant. The landlord has even made you the chairperson there. You are the one who collects the rent. But the house is not yours. Today you need something that will push you to your own. As much as they are good to me. As much as they are good to me. But that does not make me the owner of the house. You know, it is so good when you have your own. Something that has your name on it. Something that you own. Something that belongs to you. I usually tell ladies that, ladies, let me tell you, even if you are married and your husband provides, but there is no money that is sweeter than the money which belongs to you. Where you don't need first to kneel down and beg to buy hair. But you can pull out the checkbook and give to your God 1M without asking your husband. Where you can travel. Where you can put on what you want. But because you have not realized it, you are still in the other side, where every time you are begging, every time you are requesting, what is not yours will never be yours. And life of begging is very painful. Someone can decide to tell you they don't have, yet they have. But time has come for you to have your own, what belongs to you. Where you decide what to do, what not to do, how to do, to go about it. Rachel had a sister, and the sister was called Leah. Leah had children. The husband had children, but these children were not her children. She said, I need my own. Give me my own children, or else I die. Time has come when we are praying. Cry unto God. Tell God, I will not leave you. Be like Jacob. Jacob was leaving, going to meet his brother Esau. He said, I will not leave you until you bless me. It's time to tell God, give me my own. Give me what belongs to me. That I am the one who decides what to do with this, because it belongs to me. After talking about your sister has this, your brother has this, what do you have? As you as a person, what do you have? What is it that has your signature? What is it that people cannot do minus consulting you because it belongs to you? Who said when we are born again we have to be poor? The Bible says he became poor for us to be rich. That means it's high time for us as born again Christians to have what belongs to us. When you have a testimony, it brings glory to God. When you are struggling, it does not bring glory to God. Get tired of where you are. Get tired of being accommodated. Get tired of being dressed up. Get tired of being fed. Get tired of where you are, so that you can go to the next level. You can tell your mind, I have to come out of this. We serve a true God. And the Bible says with him all things are possible. You might not have it today, but if you make up your mind and say, I am tired of where I am, I need my own business, I have worked and worked and worked, it's time for me to do my own.